3:27.
3:27 in the morning.
Yeah.
I'm going to be tired on that.
We're all going to be tired in the morning.
That's amazing.
But we don't want to miss this. This is a good opportunity to get a real live video.
More lightning. Told you. It's 3:22 now.
Well, that's light. I hope that caught it on camera. Don't want it caught on camera, that one.
I'm not sure whether it's coming from over in that direction or over in that direction. It's just confused that we are. In there, the rain is absolutely tracking it down.
No,
You're not going to work then, Dad.
Hey?
You're not going to work in this community.
Well, I'm hoping not to cycle to work in it.
Maybe take the car.
I can't.
Right.
But I think we're outside the donut.
You think we're outside the donut?
Gone that way.
I'm hoping we're going in.
What?
You
How
know?
was I inside?
It's now 3:40 and it's still going on. Finally sent the kids off to sleep upstairs, well at least their bedrooms. Got to get up in less than an hour and I doubt I'm going to get any sleep then. Until then.